We talked about the ideation process, the innovation, and now we're going to introduce you to the tools and techniques. In this case, what is very important is the structure model, the creative model of the PIIV, simply meaning how you prepare your concept or your idea, how you get into the incubation process, how you implement, and how you verify. And after this, of course, it also encompasses with identifying market gaps, which is, by the way, you should check out that course about market gaps. It gives you the more in-depth version of how you can be able to identify the market gaps. So with this preparation stage, which is the P in the PIIV, with the preparation stage, this is where you identify the problem. And this is where you also identify the case studies. So that means you do your feasibility study to understand if indeed your idea is strong enough to become a business, or you can create a concept note from that. And the next phase is the incubation. Now in the incubation, this is where, of course, when you're preparing, you're really storming a lot of things and your ideas are all over the place. Now with the incubation, this is where you take a step back. Don't think about that idea, such that you can have calmness in your mind. This stage is very important such that you can be able to eliminate any mental blocks that you may have, because sometimes when you overthink about something, you may end up rotating in the circles. So to avoid the mental blocks, you definitely need to take a break, take a chill pill, like some people would say, and then revamp it up into the next phase. Now the next phase will be the illumination. Now under the illumination, of course, this is where you visualize your idea in terms of start connecting the dots. So this means this is where I can sell, this is how the market goes, because you've actually thought about the problem, you've done the feasibility study, and you've taken a break in order for you to revamp up the visual idea into something meaningful. And then lastly comes the verification. Now the verification is always very important, because at the end of the day, you need to practice something. You need to verify your concept. So put it out there in the market and then focus on the evaluation. How did it behave? How did people actually react to my product or service? And what do I need to improve?